I have just made a discovery here on this gem. Let me show you real quick what I am talking about. Take a look, guys. Look at the Enhydro. That is an air bubble from 500 million year old trapped water. Sorry, it's kind of hard to record, but... And right next to it, you can see right there, that's actually a pair of gems within the crystal. That is so crazy. Herkimer Diamond pocket. Look at that. Look at that bubble moving. That is the Enhydro, guys. That is the 500 million year old water trapped in this old crystal.